guys, gonna make another video, and this video is going to be about diamond seed. I'm not going to tell them there's your seed, okay? Bye. Now I have to leave. Bye. Yeah, okay. As I said, you go to play, new, advanced, and the seed. The seed is all of it. This will be capital. Glow. Then stop the capital. Epic. Oh no, so done. And you create the word, bitch. Oh, it's the wrong seed, guys. No, it's the wrong seed. I'm just kidding. So, see the block you're standing on? If you're survivor, just mark it. Mark it by anything. So dig down straight. After one letter later, I'm gonna fall by a cave. In 3, 2, and a half. Whee! It's so hot. Okay, I think that was. Come for the diamond. The diamond. Actually going to find about 9 diamonds. And you're way going to find some iron. See? So find them all and like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this all the diamonds that you can find. It's a really easy busy seed, and yeah, here's how to find some diamonds. So let's go back and remember what we took in this video, because it's really so small and so fast. First of all, you're going to spawn in this block. Small. You have to spawn in this block. You're going to mark it. Okay, not that high. Go run. You're gonna find the forest. Someone. I need cavemans. Okay, after you mine like about enough food, you go down like a boss into the water, and you see how you troll. So yeah, then you like fall in like a boss. Fallout Boy. See? This is how you Fallout Boy it. You're going to pass by some Iron Man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I mine 2 before 7, 8 irons. And we're going to miss 1, so it's 9. Mining another 9 irons. Enough to make just a plate. Mr. Spider! Whoa! Excuse me, sir. Did you say Mr. Diamonds? No, sir. Sorry, I didn't see him. Oh, okay. So, are you going to leave like this? What? What do you want? Sorry, bruh. Nothing. Sorry. Yes, leave. You leave. Son of a bitch. Oh, sorry, sir. Better leave. Hey. Game called the Minecraft fell from space. Okay, so first you mine down to the bedrock. The seed is Glow Epic. GLOWIFIC. Okay. Glow Epic. Hey, you thought spell it. English, motherfucker. Okay. So easy. And so gonna end the episode here, and goodbye.